Now let's dive into the next chapter of Sarah and Linda's journey. It's a chapter filled with vibrant living and self-care. Healthy lifestyle tips. After understanding the symptoms of menopause, Sarah and Linda realized they needed to make self-care a priority. For them, it all started with regular exercise. Whether it was yoga, dancing, or a simple daily walk, it became a crucial part of their routine. It wasn't just about physical fitness. It was about maintaining a strong and vibrant body. And of course, it was also about what they put on their plates. A balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients became their secret weapon against the physical changes of menopause. Portion control and mindful eating played a significant role in their success. They discovered that paying attention to what they ate and how much they ate made a world of difference. And what about bone health? Well, they didn't take it lightly. Weight-bearing exercises like strength training became their allies in preventing osteoporosis and ensuring they'd stay strong throughout life. But it wasn't just about the physical aspects. It was about their emotional well-being too. They realized that stress reduction was equally important. Yoga, meditation, and other relaxation techniques became their go-to practices. And of course, a good night's sleep. That was non-negotiable. They understood that quality sleep is the foundation of overall health and well-being. This is where their journey took them next. Join us as we uncover more about the power of self-care and how it can help you maintain a strong and vibrant body, both physically and emotionally. Hormone Replacement Therapy, HRT, explained. Now let's delve even deeper into a crucial chapter of Sarah and Linda's journey, Hormone Replacement Therapy, or HRT. As our dynamic duo continued navigating the complexities of menopause, they stumbled upon a path many women explore, HRT. This path, paved with options such as estrogen, progesterone, and bioidentical hormones, promised relief from the roller coaster of symptoms, but it came with its own set of considerations. They soon realized that the decision to embark on HRT was far from trivial. Seeking guidance from healthcare professionals became their beacon. During their journey, Sarah and Linda connected with women who had trodden this path. They discovered a mosaic of experiences, from stories of immense relief to tales of caution. HRT, they learned, had both its triumphs and its tribulations, but it didn't stop there. Our dynamic duo also encountered women who had opted for alternative routes to manage their menopausal symptoms. For them, herbal remedies, lifestyle changes, and holistic practices took center stage. It was a choice, and they wanted to empower their audience to make informed choices too. Sarah and Linda's exploration continued as they sought the advice of healthcare professionals, gaining insights into the benefits and potential risks of HRT. They soon realized that the journey of relief and rejuvenation should be one made in close consultation with a trusted expert. And so, our journey through menopause continues with a newfound understanding of HRT. Remember, your journey is unique and choices should always be made with the guidance of healthcare professionals. Self-care and empowerment. Now let's enter the chapter of self-care and empowerment, where the story of Sarah and Linda takes a beautiful turn. In the midst of the menopausal journey, they discovered the power of self-care. It wasn't just about looking after their physical health, it was about nurturing their emotional well-being as well. Meditation and mindfulness became their daily rituals, helping them find inner peace and resilience. It wasn't about erasing menopausal challenges, it was about facing them with strength. And journaling. That was their form of self-reflection and personal growth. They found clarity, purpose, and empowerment through the written word. Their journey took a turn towards self-empowerment. They realized that menopause was a phase where they could not only embrace their wisdom, but also celebrate their unique journey as women. Their stories are inspiring, and they want you to know that this chapter of your life is a canvas waiting for your colors. The journey of self-care and empowerment is just beginning. Join us as we explore self-care practices, share personal stories of empowerment, and celebrate the incredible transformation that menopause can bring. This is your story too. Ladies, we've reached the end of this incredible journey through menopause, and it's time for the grand finale. Sarah, Linda, and countless women like them have embraced menopause as a transformative phase of life. They've navigated the challenges, celebrated their wisdom, and connected with a supportive community. This journey, this story, is a reminder that you're not alone.
We're here to support each other, to share experiences, and to celebrate every chapter of life. The comments section is your space to share your experiences, offer support to fellow viewers, and continue the conversation. We're building a community of strength and unity. So, thank you for spending this time with us. Your journey is unique, and we hope this video has inspired and empowered you. Together, we can make menopause a time of growth and grace.